To open Microsoft Word 2010 application, click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and from the sub-menus, click on Microsoft Word 2010. This will launch the Microsoft Word 2010 application. Before we start with our first document, let us get familiarized with the Word environment. Most of the tools which we are going to use are found in the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into different tabs. Here we have Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout, and so on. Each tab consists of tools which are grouped together. For example, in the font group, you will find all the tools which are used to change the font type, color, size, etc. To hide the ribbon, you just click on this tiny arrow pointed upwards. To unhide, press the arrow again. We can also find a quick access toolbar. By default, we have Save, Undo, and Redo option. This as well can be customized. To customize the quick access toolbar, click on the arrow pointing downwards and select the tools which you would like to include in the customized quick access toolbar. I will select New, Open as well. In Word, the ribbon itself can be customized. To do that, right-click anywhere on the ribbon. Click on Customize the ribbon. Word Options dialog box will appear. Here you can see that you can customize the existing tabs, or you can also create a new tab. To create a new tab, simply click on the New Tab button. Now, let us add some tools in our new group. To add tools in our new group, click on the group, then click on the tool which you would like to add, and then click on the Add button. Another way to do this is by simply clicking on the tool, dragging it, and dropping it into the new group. Let me add font as well. Now, let us rename our group and the tab. First, click on the tab and then click on the Rename button. I will name my tab as Customize tab. Click on OK. To rename the group, click on the group and then click on the Rename button. Type in the group name. You can also give a symbol. Click on OK. Once you're done, click on the OK button. You will now see that your customized tab is also included in the ribbon. Now let us start typing our first document. This tiny line blinking is called the cursor. When typing, the text appears to the left of the line. And when you press the Enter key, you can notice that the cursor moves down. Now, let us see how to select the text. To select the text, move the cursor at the start of the text, click on it and drag. This is one way of selecting the text. Selecting the text is also called as highlighting the text. Suppose you want to select the whole line. You move the cursor to the left of the page and you will see that the cursor turns into a pointed arrow. Once it turns into a pointed arrow, click on it. The line is selected. Well, if you want to select more than one line, then click on it and drag down. Suppose you want to select one word. Then double click on the word. Let me select club. If you click on the word club 3 times, let us see what happens. The entire paragraph is selected. Another way to select the text using the keyboard is, first, move the cursor to the start of the word which you want to select. Then press the shift key and move right arrow, down arrow, left arrow. Now let us see how to delete a word. To delete a word, select the word and press the delete key. If you want to delete chunk of data, you can directly select it and press the delete key. If you want to delete character by character, then place the cursor at the end of the word and press the backspace button. Now, let us see how to save a document. Since this is our first document and it is not saved, it is named as document 1. To save this document, click on File, Save As. Then, from the dialog box, first select the location where you want to save your file. I will select desktop. Then, give a file name. I will give it as tutorial 1. Then, click on the Save button. You will see that document 1 is replaced by your file name. Now, every time you make changes and you want to replace the file with the newly made changes, you simply click on File and say Save, or else you can use the Save button on this Quick Access toolbar. Now let us see how to close the file. Again, there are more than one method of doing it. First, you click on File and click on Close. This will close the file which is open. Click on this cross on the top right corner. This will close the entire Microsoft Word application. Another way of closing the entire application is click on File and click on Exit. Now let us see how to open an existing document. To open an existing document, click on File, click on Open. Select the file which you want to open and click on the Open button. Shortcut to close a open file is Ctrl W. What if I want to create a new document? For that, simply go to File and click on New. Here, Microsoft Word will give you different options. You can open a blank document, blog post, recent templates, sample templates, or any templates if you have previously saved on your computer. Let us open a blank document. Select the blank document and click on the Create button. This will open a blank document. Another way of opening an existing document is by clicking on this Open on the Quick Access toolbar. Let me open our previous tutorial 1. Click on it and click on Open. Microsoft Word also allows you to save document in your desired format. For that, you click on File, click on Save As. You will see that there is an option called Save As Type. And if you click on it, you will get a list of file types. For example, over here there is Word 97 2003 document. This means your document can be compatible with 2003 Microsoft Word or any earlier versions. You can also save it as a PDF. Select your desired type and click on Save. Using these various features, you can now save your document and share them with anyone you wish to.